DesertX is equipped with the latest evolution of the water-cooled 937 cubic centimeters Desmodromic 11 degrees Testastretta engine with 110 horsepower and 67.5 lb-ft of torque. The new version of the Testastretta 11 degrees introduces important improvements over the previous generation, which have led to an overall weight saving of 3.7 pounds. Reliable and also designed for touring use, the engine has very long maintenance intervals, with oil change every 9,000 miles and valve clearance check every 18,500 miles. The work on the DesertX gearshift also involved the ratios, which were shortened overall on all gears up to 5th, in particular 1st and 2nd, to ensure the best off-road behavior, while maintaining a long 6th gear for greater efficiency at high speed. DesertX, like all Ducatis, has advanced electronic equipment aimed at safety and performance in all conditions. The versatility of DesertX is also reflected in the riding modes, up to 6 options, 2 of which are specifically dedicated to the off-road riding experience. The electronic equipment is completed by the package of riding assistance systems, traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, cornering ABS, quick shifter up and down and cruise control, to make riding on long journeys even more relaxing. The bike's completely full LED lighting system equipment is of the highest level. The double front headlight has 2 bifunction polyellipsoidal modules with daytime running light, DRL, and has been designed to ensure excellent visibility, which is particularly important for a bike that can ride in all conditions. The rear headlight is equipped with the Ducati brake light. The system, in the event of sudden braking, automatically activates the flashing of the rear light to signal the condition of sudden slowing to following vehicles, making a further contribution to rider safety. DesertX is equipped with a high-resolution 5-color TFT display oriented vertically and positioned to offer the best visibility even in standing riding. This display is designed for integration with the Ducati multimedia system, which allows you to connect your smartphone via Bluetooth and activate turn-by-turn navigation by receiving directions directly on the dashboard. The aesthetic of the DesertX manages to combine the suggestion of homage to the Ducarians with a decidedly modern look and feel. This adventure bike was designed by the Centro-style Ducati following the criteria of essentiality and sturdiness. The designers have pushed for a minimalist aesthetic that communicates resistance, once again managing to combine form and function in the best possible way. Every stylistic reference has been reinterpreted by Ducati with the aim of making the bike absolutely contemporary. The DesertX comes with the new RR22 livery, inspired by that of the Audi RS-Q e-tron that participated in the last Dakar, and in the matte star white silk color scheme. US MSRP price, from $18,295 US. Canada MSRP price, from $20,995 CDN. Europe/UK MSRP price, from £15,295 on the road Inc. 20% VAT. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.